Okay guys, Mr. Burns here. We're working through page 251, number 33. We're given tangent of theta is equal to 2, sine of theta is greater than 0, cosine of theta is greater than 0. The first thing we want to realize is where this terminal side falls. This terminal side is going to fall in quadrant 1, because that is the only quadrant where all trig functions are positive, like we're given here. And we're asked to find the 5 remaining trig functions. So what we've been given is we've been given the opposite and the adjacent side. Tangent is y over x. So if we have 2, that means we have a y value of 2, we have an x value of 1, and we have to find r. So the way that we find r is we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. R is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So that is r is equal to 1 squared plus 2 squared. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So r is equal to the square root of 5. We fill in that y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. This turns itself into a pretty easy problem. So working from easiest function to hardest function to find, the second easiest one to find is the cotangent of theta. Sorry, you'll have to excuse my nephew. Goosey! Cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent of theta, which is 1 over half. Sine of theta is equal to y over r. Our y value is 2. Our r value is the square root of 5. So we have to rationalize the denominator. And we're going to end up with 2 square root of 5 over 5. Cosine of theta is equal to x over r, or 1 over the square root of 5. To rationalize the denominator again, square root of 5 times square root of 5 is equal to the square root of 5 over 5. And now we have our reciprocal functions. First one is secant theta, which is equal to r over x, or the square root of 5 over 1. And cosecant of theta, which is equal to r over y, which is the square root of 5 over